Hi guys, I remember the last time I installed the Auxito product on my car. It's the LED reverse light bulb on the BMW M235i. So you know what guys, now they have a new product on the market. It just came out. So this is the Auxito AJ01. So this is a jump starter with an air compressor. So in today's video we're gonna check it out. So guys, let's get started. So guys, before we continue to the video, could you just please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll always be notified for the latest videos. And also please like and share this video. So this is the new product from Auxito. So this is a jump starter with an air compressor. So let's check out the box here. So it can inflate the tire between 3 to 120 psi. You got the storage temperature here, and the battery capacity is 11,200 milliamp hour. So because you can also use this as a power bank. So the charging input is 5 volts and 3 amps on a USB-C connector, and it charges about 3.5 hours. And the USB output, if you want to charge up your cell phone or gadget or laptop or whatever, in 5 volts you get 3 amps, on 9 volts you get 2 amps, and on the 12 volts you get 1.5 amps. So the air pressure sensor accuracy when you inflate your tire is about plus minus 1 psi. To jump start a car, the voltage is 12 volt. And it comes with a nice hard storage case, which is pretty nice. So okay, we'll check out what's inside the storage case here. I really like the storage case. It's a nice hard shell compartment. Okay, so we already have the booster cable coming out. So that's the booster cable for jump starting the car. You also have the compressor tube to inflate your tires. You also have the charging cable to charge up the jump starter. So this works both ways. If you want to charge the jump starter, and the other one also if you want to charge your cell phone. You got a user manual here that explains you everything. So you just gotta read all through this little manual here to understand the product a little bit more better, and it's gonna tell you all the details about the specs and the instruction on how to operate this jump starter. So here we have a tube for inflating inflatables. So I have the rest of the connector to inflate the if you want to inflate the basketball or other inflatable toys or whatnot, or whatever. So here we have the actual Auxito jump starter. It looks pretty nice. Now we're gonna check out the dimension. What's the dimension of this product? Okay, so we're gonna measure the length of the product. We're gonna measure the length of the jump starter. So it's about I would say 7 3/4 length and 4 1/4 width, and the thickness is about 2 inches. So it's pretty compact for a jump starter and a compressor all in one. I think the size is just about so the size is about okay. So it's not too big, it's not too small, just enough size to carry around, to boost a car, and also to inflate your tires. So here we have the input. This way you're gonna put the cable to charge your jump starter, and here's the output. If you want to charge up your cell phone, this is where you're gonna connect it. And here, this white strip here, this is your light. So it has about 400 lumens of LED lighting, and this is where you connect your air hose to inflate your tires. and this is where you're gonna connect the jump cables. If you wanna jump start your car, just have to take out this yellow cover, and you can only plug in one way, so because it's a directional connector. You got a bit of a spec here on the back, and that's about it. You have a lot of ventilation on the sides because for cooling. So you have your control here, you got the power control here, you got the negative and the plus side here. This is the mode button, and also the flashlight button. Then you have to press longer to turn on the unit. So the unit comes with a 90% of charge. So before we do a test, we're gonna charge this to try out to inflate the tire and also boost the car. So for now, we're just gonna check out the lighting. So the light is pretty bright, so it has 400 lumens of light. There's also other options of lighting. You can also use this as an SOS, lighting for emergency. So after charging, we're gonna test the power bank. As you can see now, it's 100%. So we're gonna test the power bank because this one has 11,200 milliamp hour of battery power bank. So we're gonna try to charge my cell phone. So I'm gonna use the supplied charging cable. So I'm gonna plug the standard USB here on the output. So it's not charging right now because the unit is turned off. So now I'm gonna turn it on. There you go. Okay, so now it's charging now. It's showing me charge now. So now it's charging and it's 93%. Takes about 28 minutes until full charge. So the power bank is working, so that's good. So now it's time to test the air compressor. So now it's 100%. So you press the mode button. So now it's on 36 psi for the car. You see the car icon? You can adjust the 36 by pressing the plus or the minus. And if you want to press the mode again to go to another type of vehicle. So now it's a motorcycle. So motorcycle is preset to 35 psi. All of this is adjustable according to your pressure, but the machine already has a preset pressure. So now it's on the motorcycle. We're gonna go to bicycle. So bicycle is 45 psi, and now it's basketball. So the basketball or inflatables is set to 8 psi. So everything here is adjustable. It just depends on how much pressure you want to put, but each mode already has a preset amount of air pressure. So now we're gonna try to inflate the tire to 36 psi. So I have to connect the air hose. Because now it's on 20 psi. I reduced the air on this tire to test if we can bring back the pressure to 36 psi. Okay. 21 psi. So I'm gonna set my stopwatch for how long it's gonna take to fill up the 21 psi to 36 psi. So it's 3 minutes and 6 seconds to fill up from 20 psi to 36 psi. So my car has a dead battery, and I think I have to buy a new one. So as you can see, it doesn't want to start. It's completely dead. So we're gonna try with the Auxito AJ01, if you can boost this car to make it start again. So I have to connect the booster cable here. Well, it only goes one way, so you have to press it in hard. As you can see now, it's blinking green. So I'm gonna connect the the positive here. And the negative here. And now you can see it's solid green, so that means it's ready to boost. So I'll turn on the unit. Yeah, so we have about 99% of the charge, so now I'm gonna try to start the car. You have to disengage it now. So guys, that's it for the Auxito AJ01. So for me, I think it's a great product because you got two in one. You got a compressor and the Jumpstarter in one. So if you want to check out the link below, I'm gonna put it down there. And also don't forget to use my discount code EDCARDIY to save you some more money. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
My body's shaking.